Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2009 new Beetle. The new Beetle, a blast from the past or ahead of its time? Drive one out today and you decide. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.